Hi friends, this is Asma Muasafa. Welcome back to this episode. In this episode, I will show you how we can make groove on a circular path. So to start off, go to mechanical design, part design, make it then or enter the part name groove. Enter. Click any plane here and draw a circular part like this. It may be like a pulley. So it may not be necessary to give the dimension of this circles. Simply go to exit and part with 30. Nice. Now to do groove on this surface, let's select YZ plane. No, it's not YZ. XY plane. Nice. Let's make it normal view and let's draw here circle which has a diameter of 10 mm and it should be at the center. So click on here and at the center it should be 15 because the center of this surface is 15. That means starting from this to this is 30 mm. So let's exit and select groove here. This is a groove. Okay, the first angle is 360 degrees centigrade and the second angle it should be 0 degrees centigrade. The selection is this one, that means sketch 3, this one, and the axis is the center of this part, this one. Now it's already grouped, so preview. Okay, this is group, that it may be or it seems like small, so we can change this one, sketch 3, yeah, this one, let's increase this one, maybe 15, like this, and exit. Now it's enough. Okay, thank you very much. I am Asma Muasafa. Please subscribe my channel below and you will get other important videos when I release. To get my new videos, please click the sign of the bell in front of the word subscribe. Thank you very much.